everyone, welcome back to Eassiy Official. Forgot your iPad passcode and need to factory reset your iPad without the password? No worries. In this video, I'll show you 4 easy and safe methods to reset your iPad to factory settings without a passcode. And guess what? We're starting with the fastest and most reliable solution, Passixer iPhone Unlocker, so let's get started. Best way factory reset iPad using Passixer iPhone Unlocker. If you can't remember your iPad passcode, Passixer iPhone Unlocker is the best solution. It works for all iPads and even iPhones, allowing you to remove screen locks, Face ID, Touch ID, and more. Here's how to use it. Download and install Passixer iPhone Unlocker on your PC or Mac. You'll find the link in the description. Launch the program and click Wipe Passcode. Connect your iPad to the computer with a USB cable. Download the correct firmware package for your device. Enter 0000 to confirm and click Unlock. Wait a few minutes. Your iPad will be completely reset to factory settings. This method is the quickest and safest way to factory reset your iPad without a passcode. Highly recommended. Use Erase iPad feature, no computer needed. If your iPad is running iPadOS 15.2 or later, you can use the Erase iPad option right on the lock screen. Just enter the wrong passcode several times until you see Erase iPad at the bottom, tap Erase iPad, then confirm your choice. Next, enter your Apple ID password to verify. Your iPad will reset itself and remove all data, including the passcode. This method is pretty simple, but you do need your Apple ID credentials and an internet connection. Factory reset iPad with Find My app. You can also use the Find My app from another Apple device to reset your iPad. Okay, so first, sign in to Find My using the Apple ID that's linked to your iPad. Then, just select your iPad from the device list. Next, tap Erase this device. After that, confirm, and your iPad will be wiped remotely. This is really great if your iPad isn't physically with you or you just want to erase it remotely. Factory reset iPad using iCloud, no iTunes needed. If you don't have iTunes or, a computer handy, you can actually use iCloud instead. So just open a browser and go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID. After that, go to Find My and select your iPad. Then, click Erase iPad and confirm. This will completely reset your iPad to factory settings, and you won't need the passcode at all. And that's it! Now you know 4 easy ways to factory reset an iPad without a passcode. The fastest and most effective method, Passixer iPhone Unlocker download link is in the description below. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Eassiy Official, and turn on notifications for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video!